Kanega de Dudashan Meghalaya but ni pediang snow by P Baro, Shaganika took Kubor Mataka Janmit, Schwaben Paj ki Kubor, Kibabania, Nina Petchwai ki Mat Bakong San. Jinkren umintri rang badu kari haka Mann ki Baat program lingba ka Akashvani. Ka jingya kendo yakinong yalam seng san hima hashwa ka dorbar telang. Ka jing job jong ka kertong ka seng NPP haka election shiteng samoy ka PNI ya ka jing klan haka rukom trekam ka sorkar MDA 2.0. Keno ka seng BJP baka rukom trekam ki seng baya aireng persya ka de ka daw ka baka BJP kamla ban lebha haka election ha Meghalaya. Bat jubab uba Paul Lingdo yaki nongde jingde madan halor ka jing persyang ban penken ria yaki. Ki khubor ki babania. Haka jingkren lingba ka program Mann ki Baat jong ka sien ba shispa khan riu u mentri rang ba do kari u Narendra Modi ula kentu yaki samla kari ki bomdan ha ka no ka kinhon san hima baki day ban penyas no bat ki kam san perthei da ka ba pen bana ba on wanra ya ka jingela pat ba ka ban penyaso ya shilak ngut ki brio ki bakum kini. Ulawan ru ya ka Viksit Bharat Young Leaders Dialogue nakabenta 8,000 ngut ki samla hakajing rakhe ya ka lingkhu snikha ba shispa an riupu arts nem jong Swami Vivekananda. Modi ula yaro ya ka jing trekam jong ki samla ban yarap iki brio ki balasan hakarta nakabenta ki jing shakri hakaliang ka digital. Ula kren ru shapang ka jing shimbenta jong ki khana kentei haka National Cadet Corps bat penpau ya ka jing sngo kemen halor ka jing penne pensa ya ki riti dustur jong kari India hak lengkiri ka perthei. Shu ula kren shapang ki sien jam bala shim kum ka ek per ma ke nam ka balong ka sien jam ban thung ding ban penne pensa ya ki simkhar bat ban penlong ya ka jing pen khuch nong ken thop ya ka jing wan ra ya ki project nakabenta ki samla hakanpur bat Arunachal.
वो भी सिर्फ 5 महीनों में
Menteri ka Sarkar Pedeng Kiren Rijiju un penlong ka jingalang bat kinong yalam jong ki seng san hima mentakas ni ha Parliament House Annex New Delhi hashwa ban penlong ya ka dorbar telang ka yeng dorbar tauan ka ban sedang la syai ka sni ka arpusan trik unai wing arhajar arpusau ya kane ka jingalang on penyai da Menteri ka tenat ki kamya dari Rajnath Singh ka dorbar telang kan kut ha ka arpau trik unok pra arhajar arpusau bat on penlong ya ka dorbar ha ka arpun riu trik unai wing namar ka day kasni barakhe ya ka Constitution Day.
फिर कौन-कौन सा विषय चर्चा में लाना है इसको हम आगे बढ़ाएंगे.
Unong aiktien ka Sarkar Jilla uba longru Menteri ka Sarkar Jilla uba Paul Lingdo ula penpau ba ka jing job ka kertong jong ka seng NPP ha ka election shiteng samoy ha Gambhagre ka PNI ya ka jing klan trekam jong ka Sarkar MDA 2.0 ha ba kren shikilat pathai khubor uba Paul ula kedo ba ka Congress kala job ya ka shuki MP Natura Parliamentary ha ka election Lok Sabha ka bala dep bat kane ka PNI ya ka jing itanat jong ki kamsan hima. Shu ula banru da kabaong bakinong tap vote jong ka Gambhagre kila nang banjit ya kinong mi khmat namar kila jit da ka kertong kabla biang ka kerdan jing pule.
The MDA government's performance, MDA 2, and do not forget that as recently as May this year, we had the Lok Sabha polls where the Congress had swept Garo Hills, the Tura parliamentary seat. So in a way, it shows that politics is very dynamic, and even a week is a long time. in politics, and it also demonstrates that the electorate of Gambhagre have clearly shown their wisdom by electing somebody who is highly qualified.
Kaseng BJP ha Meghalaya kam shimlala ban yo ya ka majority ha ka election ka barang shudep wat hadin jongka jing tray shitom jongka kaseng kala keno bakate ka jing bom la ban tray kam ha ka long namar baki seng ba persha kila kentho baka BJP ka penyaso ya lade bat kirukom tray kam jongka hindutwa habaro artri ki election kata ha ka snem 8000 khatpra bat 8000 arpulai ka BJP kala job tang ha ki artri ki constituency bat menta ka kenti kam shimlala ban job ha ka election shiteng samoy ha Gambhagre unang kitien kaseng BJP uba M kharkrang ulaong bakam shimday kata kaseng kabale ikirukom trekam jong ka hindutwa henry kadai ka rukom yala patba jong ki seng ki ba persha ki ba phai khmat shakanyam ban ya ka roy kapar kabalakta ya kaseng baro ka we ula penpa wadan kam ban donno da ki kendon trekam ka bathmai ban la banyele persha ya kini ki jing e.
But unfortunately opposition have been using this as a weapon to hit at the BJP. Knowing that religion is one issue that you can play around, and unfortunately this has been played around by the opposition, and in the process the BJP is being hit.
Kejilla Meghalaya kala persang ban tray borba ban penyo ya kejing job ha kabia day bat kajing pen urlong ya ka open defecation free ha ka baka sarkar kala penshna ya ki pankhana bat ki jaka let bar ha ka leng kejilla Menteri Ketenat PHE Marcus Marak hadian kejing let jingo jong u ya buon teli ki project ki badang ya chakmat ha kejing shna ula pen pau baka don kam ban pen sapriang jing tip shapang ka khuat ka suba khnang ban poi shakathong jong ka open defecation free.
Toilets are being used for the public. Often defecation free, we are often defecation free state, but we are trying our level best to go for the open defecation plus status. Already constructed many community sanitary latrines. Those are being allowed to use for the public. Today also I have gone to 2 places to inspect personally by myself whether it's functioning or not. So it's functioning. So this community toilets are being used for the public. If some of the toilets are not functioning, we'll make sure that it is functioning. Wan hapreng ka kenrum kenram bat kijingyakhi hajila Manipur katanat jong kishipai Assam Rifles kidang IT lut yelade ban ai kijing shakri yaki patba hakaba u Lieutenant General Vikas Lakhera ula banjur bagajing trekam jong katanat kalong bandon kajingade ka baskem bat kinong shong shnong kane katanat shipai ka treiru nakabenta ban wanra kajingya teli hakari bat ban ai kijing shakri bat la ban yoi yakane kajing don jong kishipai nakathan chete lami ngi nalor ki kamram biadei bat kajing wanra ya kajing shngan ka Assam Rifles kaya don bentaru ban ai jingerap ya ki lanot ban pha ya ki NDRF battalion ban yarap ya ki brie ki basha link shop ha kajing shlei bat ban ai jing sumar la itho ya katekat shipai kum ka we na kitanat ka baklan bha ban ai sngo bha ya ka snam ha ka than chete la mi ngi ka banang kampen klan shu ya kajing no sen yang jongka shaki para brio
to get people together and numerous such steps which is Assam Rifle. We are part of the people, right? I am not different than you. We are just standing other side, right? So we are here to ensure that we come together with people, okay? We serve the people and we try our best. In spite of whatever happens, we will not let go of the righteous path, right? And those who do right have to face everything. But we will not leave the path of righteousness. We'll keep on connecting. Our soldiers come from the northeast. A huge amount of soldiers come from northeast. We are part of the society. Okay, we are not different than you. You serve the nation equally as I do. So maybe time will tell. And northeast is a wonderful place. It's a great place to be. And you can see today that how happy everybody is.
Ka Assam Rifles kala penlong ya ka Assam Rifles Half Marathon arhajar arpusau jong ka sien ka basau hasilong kumshi binta jong ka Fit India Movement ha ka beladon hadu shi hajar khandai spa angut kinong shim binta ha ka ka limpung ka jingya ko mare ka long ha ka jingjungai ba arpaway kilometers shipo kilometers batsan kilometers u Air Marshal Surat Singh ulalong ukongsan kat ba ka MC Mary Com kadai ka brand ambassador jong ka limpung ka balai shim binta ban mare ha ka jingjungai ka 10 kilometers. U Lieutenant General Vikas Lakhera ula pentikna ba ka jing trekam jong ka Assam Rifles ka long ban wanra ka jingya teli bat ban syakri wat hapadeng ki jingya ken at ha Manipur. Kinong job kila yo ya kita kama ki certificate bat kapisa ka ba shongdor baro khat pra point khat san lak tingka.
Marathon event, and I really congratulate to them, and it's a grand success, I should say, and I represent for this marathon for 10K, and I feel so happy and joy, and I really enjoy this moment.
Menteri Sarkar uba Paul Lingdo ula banjur baka jinglong jingman kasun beneng ka lariti ki jingbam jingdi bat ki riti dustur jong ka jella kidai ki jingdon bakerpang ki bala ban kentiu ya ka jella syakaroi kapar. Uba Lingdo ula ong lait tang ubit uban syong halor spa uban dang sengau benyau ba uduk. Ukadauru ba ka jing itanat jong ka saudong saukun bat ka jing bha jong ki brieu ki dei ki aka ki bangi dei ngidang dei banang penbha shu shu. Menteri ula kentu ya ki bang bakin penyadai bat ki brieu kenang banjarap ya ki brieu jong ka jella.
Very much interconnected. What is happening in the society?
Contribute a creative perception to nature itself, emphasizes the truth of
The Northeast in general, and Meghalaya in particular, I'm familiar with this state more than the other states, and I can say with confidence that our USPs, which is our nature, our climate, our culture, our cuisine, our customs, these are all very huge assets which are bankable and which can be transformed into a huge success story. No person other than a fool can sit on top of a gold mine and complain of poverty.
Hadian ka rai jong ka sarkar ban tokit ya ka jing yap jong arngut ki briu ha Rehabilitation Center Assam ka Meghalaya Users Forum kala terwa ban yarap daki sakhi ban ai jing ka shan halor ka te jing tokit. I Forum General Secretary Ibari Leslie Karmalki ila banjur halor ka jing don kam ban pet bnia haba pha ya ki nong di drok shaka Rehabilitation Center sa Assam halor ka jing yo ya ki jing ujor babun namar ka jing sha le ben ha ki ki jaka sumar.
But anywhere we have a voice who will speak out against the rehab, and we have the photos of those 4 boys who were beaten brutally, and we will give it to you so that you can highlight it in the press so that the whole world will see. And we are hopeful that 2 of those boys who got beaten in that picture will come out and give this testimony. I think that's the only way now, because doing an investigation when the family is not ready, I think it will be a very tough time. If they're listening, if they're watching, I would request them again to please come out, because your son will not have just died tragically or under suspicious manner. There might have been something that happened in the rehab center, and these people should be booked and punished as per law.
Menteri Ketenat Jengok Kai uba Paul Lingdo ula jubab halor ka jing sngau khia bala penpau di kinong di jing di madan halor ka rukom ken riak jaka da ka ba penshai bala penlong ya shibun ke jing yalang bat ki Vendors Association ha ka jing penya jong usembut menteri rang ba ke jella uba snyau bhalang dhar ula penshai ba ka jing pen ken riak jaka ka long ban penbha ya ka than khandai lat bat ban ken tiu ya ka kam Jengok Kai perthei ka dei ka bla bishar bha ba ka bla shimpor hadu shisnem ken thi uba Paul Lingdo ula ban program jorru bala itu ya kinong di jingdi lengba karukom trekam bala yalam da ka Shillong Municipal Board ha ka biadai bat gajing pen kan ria no yaki uba pol ula ong ba tikna ba ondang penjalan ya ka por ban pen kan ria yaki ya ka bala bu ban pen kan ria ha ka tayaw ban wan.
Now it's surprising to say that they were not consulted because those meetings were all recorded and they took more than a year, in fact, to complete the entire exercise. So it is baseless to say that they were not consulted. However, I would suggest that you also speak to the Deputy CM in charge of urban affairs because the matter is entirely with urban affairs, and the tourism department only wanted to give an uplift, a facelift rather, to the Kandairat stretch.
Ka All Meghalaya Kickboxing Association kalawan ra ya ka namba crowd da kabayo kur arpuway tali kitakma ha ka National Kickboxing Championship arhajar arpusaw ha Kerala balapan long nadu ka khatsaw trik hadu khatnyaw trik unai wing kitakma balayo kikentop ya khandai tali kitakma ksiar hanrio tali kitakma rupa ba hanrio tali kitakma rnong lapen long ya kani kejingele kai da ka Kickboxing Association jong ka jilla Kerala balano senyang da ka Indian Kickboxing Association bat ya kani kejing lekai lapen long Havike Krishna Menon Indoor Stadium ha Kozhikode. Kane kejing job ka penpau ya kejing kiu jong kinong lekai kickboxing ha Meghalaya bat ka penpau ya kejing tibet bat jing IT lut jong kinong lekai.
Hey kamera. Permission ya ma.
Mentapat ngiyapet ya ka jinglong jingman ka sun meneng hanong ba Shillong ka jing kriat kalong 0.pra degree Celsius bat ka jing shit kalong khatsan 0.0 degree Celsius ka jing ngem ka haw kalong 0 pusaw na ka shispa ha ka por min step bat prapun riu na ka shispa ha ka por jan mit kala bandon ka jing hap slap ka ba malumala bat ka jing dumlo ba malumala hakikat to ka neki jaka Shwaban poy siya ka bakut jong ka tup kubon ngiyapet biang sa shisien kimat ba kongsan Ai jing kren menteri rang ba do ka ri ha ka Mann ki Baat program ling ba ka Akashvani. Kajingalang banyak kendu ya kinong yalam seng san hima haswa ka dorbar telang. Kajing job jong ka kertong ka seng NPP ha ka election shiteng samoy ka peni ya kajing klan ha ka rukom trekam ka sorkar MDA 2.0. Keno kaseng BJP baka rukom trekam ki seng baya aireng persya kadeka daw ka baka BJP kamla ban lebha ha ka election ha Meghalaya. Bajubab upa ba Paul Lingdo yakinong di jing di madan halor ki jing persyang ban penkenria yaki. Teparlok katong ilapoy siya kabakot jong katup kubor jong imenta ka janmiet hadu bangin da syembyang bat pila syai kasngi kublay pi baro
to clean up the eco-friendly haven. Through her initiative, the Northeast Waste Collective, Itisha